Where did life begin? The origin of life, mice, theories, and the quest for truth. Where did life begin? This question has haunted humanity since the dawn of consciousness. Today, we'll embark on a journey through time, exploring the theories that have shaped our understanding of life's origins. Our story begins in ancient Greece, where the philosopher Aristotle proposed a theory that would persist for centuries: spontaneous generation. Imagine flies emerging from rotting grapes, fleas from dust, maggots from decaying meat, and frogs from stones by the pond. Sounds absurd, doesn't it? Yet, this belief held sway for nearly 2 millennia. Even in the 17th century, the alchemist Jan-Baptist van Helmont claimed that mice could spontaneously generate from wheat grains and dirty shirts. It's laughable now, but it shows how deeply ingrained this idea was. But the tides of scientific understanding were about to turn. Enter Francesco Redi in 1665 and Louis Pasteur in 1861. Their groundbreaking experiments dealt devastating blows to spontaneous generation. Pasteur's Swannock flask experiment, in particular, was the final nail in the coffin. This very flask, still preserved in the Pasteur Institute Museum, contains broth that remains unspoiled after 150 years. It stands as a testament to Pasteur's conclusion: life comes from life. But the story doesn't end there. A new theory emerged, one that still captivates many today: evolution and abiogenesis. In 1953, Stanley Miller attempted to recreate the conditions of early Earth, producing amino acids from inorganic compounds. For many, this was proof that life could emerge from non-life given enough time. But let's think critically for a moment. Are a few amino acids the same as life? Can we really compare this to the complexity of even the simplest living cell? The gap is astronomical. What many don't know is that Miller's experiment has been largely discredited. In 1994, at a conference in Barcelona, biologists officially declared the hypothesis behind Miller's experiment to be flawed. Even Time magazine stated in 1993 that the amino acids produced in Miller's experiment couldn't possibly lead to life. So where does this leave us? Despite decades of research and countless experiments, we're no closer to explaining how life could spontaneously arise from non-life. Why did Pasteur work so hard to disprove spontaneous generation? Because he believed in a creator. He sought to prove that life comes from life, ultimately pointing to a divine source. As Jesus said, "I am the way, the truth, and the life." The choice is yours. Will you believe that your existence is a cosmic accident, the result of blind chance and vast amounts of time? Or will you consider the possibility of a creator, a source of all life? As you ponder the miracle of your own existence, remember the foundations of your beliefs matter. Are they based on solid evidence? Or are they built on theories that crumble under scrutiny? The quest for the origin of life continues. But perhaps the answer isn't found in a lab. Perhaps it's been in front of us all along. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, keep questioning, keep seeking, and never stop wondering about the miracle of life.